As a pool plasterer, the last thing you want in your finished plaster is cracks. Cracks compromise the appearance of the pool, which leads to unhappy customers. But why do cracks form, and how do you stop them? One of the main reasons pool plaster cracks is because it loses moisture too fast, causing the material to shrink. The easiest way to reduce this is by adding Fritz-Pak's Plaster Supreme to your plaster mix. Plaster Supreme mixes easily into your plaster mix on the job site and quickly starts working to help the material retain more water. This product helps reduce water lost through both evaporation on hot, dry days and through absorption of the pool substrate. Once mixed into the plaster, you can go about finishing the pool as normal. You may even find that finishing the pool is easier because the material is more workable and has better vertical hang. Don't wait until your customers are angry and your business reputation is suffering due to cracked plaster. Go online to Fritz-Pak.com to order your case of Plaster Supreme today. Don't forget to follow our social media channels for more information about how our products can improve your plaster.